Alright guys, welcome. In this lecture, we will create our base template for our project. So to create a base template, right click on the templates folder and create a new file called base.html. Inside this HTML file, let us copy the HTML code from this home.html page, and I think from let's keep the banner in the home page, and let us remove all the code from the home.html file to this base.html. So now, alright, this is done. Now come down here, type in block space content and close this block. It's like end block. Okay, end block. Whenever we load HTML pages, our HTML content will go inside this. I will show you how it works. Now cut this JavaScript file from here to script. Cut this, save the file, and alright. Okay, let's see how our page looks like. Okay, this template syntax error. Something is wrong here because we have not loaded the static tag. That's okay. So now what we need to do here is that we have to attach this base.html file inside the home page. Just type in extends single quotation base.html. Then now same thing here. Copy this block content here, paste this here. Okay. Now this end block, sorry, not cut, paste, copy it, and come to the bottom of the page, paste, save it. Now it should be working. Okay, invalid box static expected. Okay. So what we'll do is, let us load the static here. Static. Now let's see. Okay, our page is working now. Alright. In the next video, I will explain you why we should always create base template in our project. So that's it for now.